In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a border around text in a Microsoft Word document. Adding borders to text is a simple yet effective way to highlight important information, make headings stand out, or add a decorative touch to your document. Microsoft Word provides several options to customize text borders, including style, color, and thickness, so you can create a look that fits your document perfectly. To get started, open your Microsoft Word document and select the text you want to add a border to. This can be a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even multiple paragraphs. Once your text is highlighted, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the paragraph group, you'll see an icon that looks like a square with 4 sides. This is the Borders button. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it to open the menu with different border options. For a basic border around your selected text, choose the box option. Word will immediately place a border around the text you highlighted. If you want more control over the appearance of the border, select the More Borders option at the bottom of the menu. This opens the Borders and Shading dialog box, where you can customize several aspects of your text border. In the Borders and Shading window, you can choose from different line styles, such as solid, dashed, or dotted lines. You can also select the line color and adjust the width to make the border thicker or thinner. Additionally, you can specify which sides of the text should have borders, giving you the flexibility to create unique designs. For example, you can add a border to the top and bottom only, or just the left side for a sidebar effect. Once you've customized the border to your liking, click OK to apply it. Your selected text will now display the border with the style and formatting you chose. If you need to remove a border later, simply highlight the text again, click the Borders drop-down, and select No Border. Adding borders to text in Word is an easy way to draw attention to important content or create a polished look in your document. Experiment with different styles and colors to find the one that best suits your needs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.